little friends. I am Miss Lily, and I am in a hurry to reach my farm. I have heard of a fox being sighted near my farm, and I am worried about my animals. Here we are at my farmhouse. Let me park my cycle first. Let us check if what I heard about the fox was true. Wait a minute. I have spotted something there. Look! That's a fox lurking behind that fence, and he is eyeing my sheeps. We need to hurry. I will need your help in counting my animals and keeping them safe. Are you ready to help me? Then come along quick. We will go to the sheep farm first. Here we are at the sheep farm. It was here we saw the fox lurking behind the fence. It probably ran away hearing us come. Let us get in and check on our little baby sheep. Look at those fluffy sheep. Aren't they so cute? Let's count how many sheep are in the meadow. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are 7 cute sheeps. Can you make a sheep sound too? Let's try. It would be fun. Did you try it? Really? Wasn't it fun? Oh, look, a little lamb wants to play. Can you pretend to be a lamb too? Let's hop and jump together. Hop, hop, jump, jump. You're doing great. That was so much hopping fun. I enjoyed it. Did you? Let us visit our next cute friend. Guess who? We are now visiting the home of our adorable mother hen. So let's be quiet and not disturb her. Shh, look over here. Do you see that mommy hen? She's keeping your eggs warm. Let's be very quiet. Oh, did you hear that? Something's happening. One egg is hatching and look, a baby chick. Oh, it's so fluffy and yellow. Say hello, little chick. Wait, another one's hatching, and another. Let's count the baby chicks together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, 4 lovely chicks. Can you flap your wings like a baby chick? Flap, flap, flap. That's it. You're doing great. Look, this lovely chick likes me. Come here, sweetie pie. Let's get you to the mother hen, where you can be happy and safe. Hey, Mom, take care of your chicks. Do not let them wander away. Let's head to our next surprise. Whatever that is, it's anybody's guess. Welcome to the Shapes farm. Look around the farm with me. Can you spot some shapes? That big round hay bale is a circle. Can you make a circle with your fingers? Try it. See that tall flag? It's shaped like a triangle. Let's make a triangle with our fingers. And the barn windows are squares. Did you notice that the square has all its sides of equal height? Wow, you're doing amazing. Let's keep exploring for more shapes. Let's play a shape hunt. Can you find something round near you right now? Maybe a ball or a clock. Look what I found. A ring. What did you find? Awesome. Now, can you find something shaped like a triangle? Maybe a slice of pizza or a roof on a house. Look what I found. A triangle birthday hat. Cute, isn't it? Tell me what you found. There are so many shapes. Learning them is fun. Let's move to our next beautiful farm. Any guesses? Look at all these beautiful colors on the farm. See those bright red apples? Red is such a happy color. Can you say red? And those tall yellow sunflowers. Yellow is like sunshine, so warm and bright. Look at these orange pumpkins. Orange is a fun color, isn't it? Can you find something green near you? Maybe a leaf or your favorite toy. I What did you find? Great job! Colors are everywhere. Keep looking for them all around you. Imagine if we mixed some colors. What do you think happens when we mix red and yellow? Let's see. That's right. We get orange, just like these pumpkins over here. And what happens when we mix red with green? Do you want to try it? Look, we got a brown color. Amazing, isn't it? Mixing colors is like magic. It gives us so much joy. That was a great time we had in the fruit and vegetable farm. It's time to head back home. But before we head back, let's just check on our animal friends. Here we are at our mother hen's house. Where are our little chicks? There they are, safely playing in the barn. Sleep well, sweetie pies. I shall see you soon. And here is our Shapes farm. We shall visit here soon for learning more shapes. And just nearby is our sheep farm. Hope our sheeps feel more safe now with their new guardian. Hope you enjoyed the journey in our farm. Do join our Wiggly Wiggles channel for more such fun. Goodbye, little friends, and keep learning.
Wiggly Wiggles! Yay!